Hello guys, welcome back to TechDose, and in this video we will see the ransom note problem which is from LeetCode day 3 of the May challenge. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem says that given an arbitrary ransom note string and another string containing letters from all the magazines, write a function that will return true if the ransom note can be constructed from the magazines, otherwise it will return false. Each letter in the magazine string can only be used once in your ransom note. So you may assume that both the strings contain only lowercase letters. So this line here is very important. Each letter in the magazine string can only be used once in your ransom note. So let us now look at some examples in order to get a better understanding. Now let us suppose that your ransom note is give me money. So I have not given any space here. You can have spaces, but then you will have to take those spaces from magazine string. Now this is magazine string. Given the fact, memorize it n. So these two strings will be given to you. Now you need to find out if by using the letters of this magazine, and each and every letter should be used only once, can you construct the ransom note. So in this case you can see that this G and this G is common. So this G can be used and this can be placed at this position. Now this I and this I is common, V and V is common, E and E is common. So this entire word is actually common, give and give. Now you compare this next letter which is M. So you will find for this M. So where is M present? You can see that M is present here. So you see that it is also present. Now you move on to the next letter E. So is E present? Yes, E is present here. And actually you cannot use this one because this have already been used. So what you can do is you can keep deleting all of these characters so that you will never be using it again. So whenever you are processing a character in a ransom note, then you will process each and every character in the magazine string from left to right unless you find this current character. So you can see that you found this E. Now you jump to this M. Have you found any M? Okay, let us see. Yes, there is one M here. And this first M was already used up, so you had already deleted it. So this M is present, therefore this can be made. Now you want to find this O. So keep scanning from the starting position till the end. Okay, O is present. So you delete these characters as well. Now you move to this N. Is N present? Yes, N is present in the beginning only. So delete this character. Now move to E. So is E present in your string? Yeah, E is present here because all the previous E's were already used. So you will also remove it. And finally you have Y. So if you scan, you can see that Y is present here and you remove it. So in this way, by using this very simple approach, you can verify whether by using the letters of this magazine, you can form this ransom note or not. So what will happen if you are not able to make? Then if you are not able to make, then for certain character, you will not be able to find that character in the magazine after being updating for each and every character. Because in this scenario, we were deleting after finding each and every character from the magazine, so that whenever we scan from the starting position, it will not be reused. So whenever you find certain character which is not found after being updating the magazine from the beginning, so you will be sure that you cannot make the ransom note. So this is a very simple approach, and this will take order of n into m time, where n is the length of this magazine string and m is the length of this ransom note string. So what approach can we take in order to improve the time complexity? Well, if you look closely, then you don't actually need to do anything, but simply you just need to count the characters. So by just simply counting the characters, you can decide whether it is possible to make this ransom string from this magazine string or not. So let us say this first string is our ransom string. And if we count each and every characters and keep it in a hash, then you can see that we have only 4 distinct characters. Therefore I have taken 4 sized hash, and 0 index corresponds to A, 1 for B, C, D and so on. Okay. So A is occurring 3 times, so I have written 3 here. Rest of the B, C and D's are occurring only 1 times. Now you can see this magazine string. The count of each and every characters have been given as 4322. So is it possible to construct this ransom string from this magazine string? So the corresponding count of characters in the magazine string should be greater than equals to the count in the ransom string in order to form the ransom string. And this is very obvious, because if you want, let's say 3 A's, then at least 3 A's should be present in your magazine string. So therefore the corresponding count should be greater than equals in the magazine string. So you can see that this 4 is greater than equals to 3. So this is satisfying. If you see for this B, then 3 is greater than equals to 1. This is also satisfying. For this C, 2 is greater than equals to 1. This is satisfying, and this D is also satisfying. Therefore it will be possible to make the ransom string from this magazine string. If you consider another magazine string like this one is also a magazine string, then will it be possible to form our current ransom string from this magazine string? So I have counted each and every character here and kept it in a hash. So this is basically an array. Now A, B, C, D all are occurring 2 times. Now if you compare with the corresponding count values of the ransom string, then you can find that for this A, our count is 3. That is, our requirement is to get 3 A's from magazine, but then in our magazine string we just have 2 A's. So we will not be able to satisfy all the characters in the ransom string. So this will not be able to make our ransom string. So in this case we will just return false. So I hope you were able to understand it. This is a very simple approach again, and the time complexity for this will be order of n plus m, where n is the length of the magazine and m is the length of the ransom string. So I hope you are able to understand it. Let us now look at the code. So this is the code which I have written. This is a very simple code. Here again I have taken a magazine hash which will keep count of all the values, that is all the letters which will be required. So as I had already explained you, it will be of size 26 since we have a total of 26 characters and all the characters were guaranteed to be lowercase alphabets. So what I will do is I will just flow through the magazine string and I will keep updating our count values. So when I update my count value, then there will be certain count values here, okay. And then what I will do is I will again flow through the ransom string and I will keep decrementing the corresponding count values. So whenever I keep decrementing the values, I will check before decrementing whether the value at the corresponding position is 0 or not. So if it is 0, then it will not be possible to decrement it. And what does it denote? If a character we want to decrement is already having a value 0, this means that our ransom string is having more number of characters which we are currently seeing than the count of it in the magazine string. So whenever you find certain character which is having greater number of occurrences in the ransom string than in the magazine, then you can be sure that you will not be able to form the ransom string from this magazine string. Since in the question it was mentioned that a letter can only be used once from the magazine string. So this line was very important. Now if you find it 0, then you will simply return false. Otherwise, after flowing through this ransom note, if you do not find any of the values to be 0, then you will simply return true, saying that it is possible to make the ransom string from magazine. So I hope you were able to understand this. If you have any other approach or solution in different languages, then do comment below so that everyone can take benefit from it. Like and share our video and subscribe to our channel in order to watch more of this programming videos. See you in our next video. Thank you.